This time, khe wants to play. As usual, let's first read the vowels. A, e, o, u, e. So when they want to start with khe, we know that khe has two forms, capital and lowercase, and depending on this, the positions and the shapes will be different. So first see what happens here. First, the a that has a hat comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So comes with this one. First this, then this. First read this one, then this one. A, together. What about this one? Comes in the middle or at the end. Sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. Always comes with the lowercase one. Here we have lowercase khe, and we know that this one wants to attach. So when both of them want to attach, they attach. So khe, then a. Khe, a. Together. A, kha, kha. How about this one? A comes right here at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. First read this one, then this one. A, together. Ach, together. Ach. What about this one? This one, we know this one loves to be with lowercases, and this one comes in the middle. So this one jumps right here above that lowercase khe, makes this one sound like itself. So khe, a. Together. Kha, kha. What about this one? This one works just like this. This one comes just at the beginning, never attached. E, kh. Together. Ekh. This one, like this one, loves the lowercase ones. Comes in the middle. So comes here, right down there, and makes khe sound like it. So khe, e. Together. Khe. O wants to play. This one plays like these two. So this one comes at the beginning, never attached, then khe, o, together, och. How about this one? Just like these two, loves to jump up there on lowercase consonants and make them sound like this. So first khe, then o. O, together. Kho. Now u wants to play. We know this one doesn't want to attach and always at the beginning. So u, together. Ukh. How about this one? We know this one sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So it depends on that one. Comes in the middle or at the end. Now when lowercase khe wants to attach and ve wants to attach, u wants to attach. So we know lowercase khe wants to attach, u wants to attach, so they attach. Khe, u. Together. Khu. Now E wants to play. It has three forms. E, which comes at the beginning, attached from this side. This one comes in the middle, attached from both sides. This one comes always at the end, sometimes attaches, sometimes doesn't. So this one right here attached to that kh, I, kh. Together, ich. And what about this one? Comes right at the end, and when lowercase kh wants to attach and this one we know wants to attach, they attach. So kh, I, together, khi. As easy as that. Let's see what we have for practice. So as you know, we always follow a pattern. So write each one of them in one whole page, each one of them in one whole page, and as you write them down, you read them. You read them for practicing of the hand and practicing of your vocal cord. And you will of course remember this practice is great for you. Don't forget to comment for me when you did it. If you had any questions, just ask in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, which of course you did so far. See you guys next session, and until then, bye.